and just put it over the oil. Okay, and make a poultice. Okay, you can see it's wet. Under our feet has got the largest pores in our body, so put it under both feet. You make 2 poultices, put it under the feet, and Glad wrap it.
And this is if they have a cold.
Yeah, if they have a, start
Very
coughing,
bad
bad
cough.
cough. Yeah. Put that under both feet, wrap it up in Glad wrap, and put socks over their feet. You'll do that and you walk into your bedroom and you'll never hear them cough again. It'll stop coughing, they'll stop coughing immediately.
That is amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. We are not talking about instant healing. It's God's method of healing. Yeah. Okay, so that's for coughing. And here also is another cough medicine.